Brand new to our inventory here at Myers Automall, we have this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Crew Cab pickup. On the outside of this Silverado, we have heated and power door mirrors, available 4-wheel drive, rear step bumper, and a bed liner. Inside, you'll find comfortable, easy to clean cloth seating for 6, power windows and door locks, and illuminated entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen has Bluetooth technology, and the steering wheel mounted audio controls keeps it all right at your fingertips. This 2019 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 22,000 miles and comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.